Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to everybody. Thank you for accepting me in IRID 2020. So, this project regarding about bobbin friction steel welding. As we know, bobbin friction steel welding is one of the technique in joining process to joining in term of material, in term of metal that is below the melting point. Bobbin friction steel welding is one of the technique that is known as the solid steel welding. So, to study regarding the bobbin friction steel welding, they have various parameter that need to be studied. One of the response is the vibration and also the temperature. What is the correlation between the vibration and the temperature? As we know, in bobbin friction steel welding, the only parameter, the only mechanism that increase the heat consumption in the process is using friction of the tool and the material. Once the tool face the material, it will the friction between both of these metal will increase the temperature of the process. So when the friction happen, when the friction process is occur, the vibration of the metal is start to be wave, and the frequency start to be high. Because of the once the temperature is meet the required value, the vibration is starting to be constant along the process. As we can see at the paper, at my extract, the higher frequency of the vibration normally occur at the start of the process. What is this happen? When the tool face to the materials, the material is start at the normal condition, at the room temperature, without any supported heat. So the tool and the metal is start with the normal condition. The initial condition is just at the room temperature. If this occur, the material is not ready to be moved from the advancing side to the retreating side. Why I say like this? Because the material itself is the solid, in the solid term. So when the tool face the metal, it's just like forcing the metal to move away. It's just like the material removal process. But once the heat is start to meet the requirement, start to meet the required temperature, the material is start to move freely from the advancing side to the retreating side. As my previous research already knows, that temperatures that material start to move freely is around 50 to 60% of the melting point of the metal. So once the metal starting to meet the required temperature, the vibration is start to be constant and there is no defect occur. But the confirmed defect that could be occur is at the initial of the welding pass. This is occur because the metal is still in the unready condition, is still in the room temperature. So the tool force the material to start to move. It's like the forcing condition. But once if I put the dwell time at the initial condition, that the tool stir for 15 seconds at the same place until the temperature high, increase the temperature, and then start to move all along the welding path. When this occur, once after the 50 seconds, all the material is start to move in a free way. So no defect could be found, and this might be a great result after that. So what can I say? The vibration and the temperature of the bobbin friction stir welding is very good, have a very good correlation, very important correlation, because once the temperature is increased, the vibration is start to be increased, because the material is hard to move, so it's make the metal, the material start to vibrate. But then if there is the vibration is increased, there will be a defect could be occur. So if you want to make sure that your welding quality without any defect, we have to make sure that the temperature is just higher and meet the required condition, and there is no vibration at all, or a little bit of vibration. So if this occur, this condition could be occur, there will be less defect, and there is a good quality of welding. And I think that's all. Thank you for listening me, and I hope all of you is having a good day. Thank you.